welcome back to the Jolly Carpers. We're actually on our very own lakes this weekend doing a JC Lake social. There should be up to 12 of us. It's been absolutely pissing down with this storm that's coming through at the moment. So got here last night about 6:30 after work, setting up in the pitch black, pissing down. By the time I'd gone, got something to eat, got all the rods out, it was about 10 o'clock on the night, so I didn't get any filming done last night. The rest of the lads should start joining us today. The plan is fish for the next 24-36 hours, have a barbecue, have some beers, have a good laugh and try and get some carp on the bank. Ethan with the first fish of the social. Looks like it's one of the stockers we stocked 4 years ago by the scale pattern. It's not a bad one to start the session though. Yep, there you go, Ethan with his nice mirror. Not the biggest of the lake.
First one of the session. But
first one of the session, as he says. We're just getting ready to have a barbecue and a few beers on the bank as well tonight. So yeah, it's nice to see one. The weather's been shit so far. The sun's starting to come out and he's finally caught one. Well, just walking back down the Specky Lake. Ethan's just had that nice 14 pounder. Yeah, I've got the barbecue set up, got the beers on the go, got the lads all chilling having a drink. Even the swans are in on the action.
Did you open the boat doors?
Yeah, it's all open. Lads all filling their faces now. Right, here's Carl with a 10-pound mirror, one of the stockies by the looks of the scales. It's been tough fishing on the match. This is only the second fish out of the social, so they've all enjoyed it, but not many fish on the bank. Nice mirror. And away she goes. Right, that's the end of the social on JC Lake. There's only been 2 carp come out on the match pull. Specky Lake's fishing hard at the moment. Nothing's come out at all on the Specky. A couple of the lads are staying on till Tuesday, so hopefully they catch over the next couple of days. They have been showing on here, but just not getting down to feed. But on that, we'll end this one. If you like the videos, click on the subscribe button, press the like button, and any comments you want to give, put in the comments below, it always helps us. So until next time, tight lines, see you all soon.